Do you know that multivitamins are often synthetic and are not as easy to absorb as a healthy diet? Aloe vera outperforms multivitamins when it comes to boosting your health, and I am going to show you why. Before diving into the nutrient profile of aloe vera, don't forget to watch my other video how to make aloe vera recipes for health benefits, because you are going to need it after watching the rich nutrient profile of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a whole food source. Scientists believe that the vitamins and minerals found in food sources such as aloe vera are easier to absorb than those in supplement form. Here's a research-based overview of the nutrient profile of aloe vera. 1. Vitamins in aloe vera. Vitamin A beta-carotene, important for skin health, vision, and immune function. Vitamin C ascorbic acid, a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system, skin elasticity, and wound healing. Vitamin E tocopherol, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage and supports skin health. B vitamins. Vitamin B1 plays a role in energy metabolism. Vitamin B2 helps with energy production and cellular function. Vitamin B3 supports skin health, digestion, and nerve function. Vitamin B6 involved in protein metabolism and cognitive development. Folate. Vitamin B9 important for DNA synthesis and repair. 2. Minerals in aloe vera. Calcium essential for bone health and cellular functions. Magnesium involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function. Potassium regulates fluid balance and muscle contractions. Sodium works with potassium to balance fluids in the body. Zinc supports immune function and skin health. Chromium helps regulate blood sugar levels. Iron essential for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood. Copper involved in energy production and iron metabolism. 3. Enzymes in aloe vera. Amylase helps break down starch into sugars. Lipase assists in fat digestion. Alkaline phosphatase involved in dephosphorylation, playing a role in various biochemical pathways. Catalase protects cells from oxidative damage by breaking down hydrogen peroxide. Cellulase breaks down cellulose into glucose, improving digestion. Peroxidase, another enzyme that helps in breaking down peroxides. For amino acids in aloe vera contains 20 of the 22 essential amino acids, including 7 of the 8 essential amino acids that even human body cannot synthesize. Essential amino acids are isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, valine. Non-essential amino acids are alanine, aspartic acid, and glutamic acid. 5. Polysaccharides in aloe vera. Ocimanonin has immune-boosting properties and helps in wound healing. Glucomannan contributes to the skin's moisture retention and promotes collagen synthesis. 6. Phytosterols in aloe vera. Campesterol, beta-sitosterol, and lupiol have anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, contributing to aloe vera's skin-soothing effects. 7. Anthroaquinones in aloe vera. Aloin, imodin have laxative effects and are responsible for aloe vera's use as a natural remedy for constipation. However, their use should be moderated due to potential side effects with long-term use. 8. Fatty acids in aloe vera. Aloe vera contains various fatty acids, including linoleic, myristic, caprylic, oleic, palmitic, and stearic acids, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and analgesic properties. 9. Others. Lignin allows for the penetration of aloe vera's nutrients into deeper layers of the skin. Saponines, these have cleansing and antiseptic properties, making aloe vera effective in skincare. Amazed by these facts, right? Thank you for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe.